In this video, we will tell and show how to properly connect and control the lighting in the room with one switch and with two switches. Sometimes you need to control the lighting from two different places. For example, it can be a long hallway where switches are installed at the entrance and exit, with which you can turn on and off the light individually from each other. Connection with two switches, called the passing switches. We will come back to it later. So far we will show you how to properly connect lighting with one switch. For this we use standard electric box. Lamp socket, where the lamp will be installed. This is gonna mimic our lighting and switch. Regular switch. In a regular switch there are two contacts, in and out. They short-circuit each other, either open. It is simple elementary circuit for plugging a light bulb into the mains. The wires are clamped in our contacts. Do everything safely, take our time. We use connectors, terminal clamps. Install the bulb and plug in. Everything is elementary. Everything works turned on, turned off. Checking the phase. Here is phase, and phase goes through the switch. And that's right. Our scheme is ready. Close cover. Everything works. But what to do when we need to set the pass switch? And that's how a passing switch works. We will show you now. Install two through switches. A special feature of feed-through switches is that it have three contacts. One is the in and two is the outs. It's not really a switch, but the input switch for these two outputs. It can be switched input to first or second contact. We mark red as the input and the two blue are the two outputs. In the scheme we indicate it with arrows. The circuit of a feed-through switch is quite simple. Outputs of switches are connected to each other. Here is the first exit, and that's the second exit. Connect together. Phase is supplied to input 1 of the switch, and the input of the second switch is connected to the lamp contact. Then we plug it all in. Again we use connectors, clamps. We do everything safely and reliably. Install the lamps. Our stand is ready for testing. Power on. Went into the hallway, turned on the lights. Reached the end of the hallway, turned off the lights. Back, we're back, turned on the lights, and so on. This is a convenient circuit. It is often applied in long hallways, on stairways, and so on. Take it and do it.